Hello guys, in this video I'll show you how you can fix an error occurred while authenticating with Rockstar Game Services. So without further ado, let's get started. First of all, what I suggested to do here is to open a browser and then you just need to write Rockstar Game Server status and then click, for example, on down detector and look if there is no reports according to the servers. So if there is a lot of reports, this means probably servers are down and it's not your problem. You just need to wait until servers is fixed and then you can safely log in. But if it's not the case, like for me, currently as you can see here, there is not a lot of reports. I will show you what to do as well. First thing what you need to do here, you need to open up Test Manager and then you need to look for Rockstar Games. If there is Rockstar Game Services and all the tasks here, wait for a couple of seconds and also then close the client that you have Rockstar Games. In my case, I have on Steam, so you need to close it as well. Maybe you have on Epic Games, so close it on Epic Games. Then you need to go on search and look for documents. Documents. Here you need to go to Rockstar Games, Social Club, and then you should see cache folder here. So delete this folder here and then try to relaunch the game and look if the problem persists. And if it's not working, then go back one time. You will see Rockstar Games folder. Just right click on it and rename it. So for example, add S and then try to launch the game. Look if the problem persists. Next thing what you can do here is to add DNS settings, and sometimes it helps. So on search, you just need to write view network connection, then find your internet connection. In my case is Ethernet. I just need to right click on it on properties, then make sure Internet Protocol version 4 is disabled and double click on Internet Protocol version 4. Then select use the following DNS server addresses and you just need to write 1.1.1.1 and on alternate DNS server 1.0.0.1. Also, if it's not working, you can try 8.8.8.8 and 8.8.4.4. Apply the changes and then open up command prompt, cmd, right click on it, make sure to run as admin. Run as admin. And then you need to write few commands. ipconfig / flush DNS. Another command is nesh winsock reset. After that, what you need to do here is to go to settings. Then on settings, you need to go to a network and internet, advanced network settings, network reset, and reset your network. And after that, look if the problem persists. Next thing, you need to go on search, virus and threat protection. Then we need to look wait for a couple of seconds here. Then press virus and threat protection settings. Scroll down and then here you will see exclusions. Then on search, you just need to look for Rockstar Games Launcher. Right click on it. Then right click again. Open file location and then copy the path. Right? Once you copy the path, scroll down until you see exclusions here. Press add or remove exclusion. Add exclusion here and then add a folder. Then copy the path that we just pasted and then select Rockstar Games. And then select folder and add that particular folder here. Another thing that it can help is VPN. So try to use VPN and then look if the problem persists. I'm using Privado VPN here. It costs a few dollars. And what I like about it, I can just basically sort out latency from low to high. And basically I'll have less lags when I play the game. I will leave the link in the description below so you can easily check it out. But if this does not work, then the last step what you need to do here is to reinstall Rockstar Games. So go to installed apps. Then you need to go on search, Rockstar Games Launcher, press on it here and uninstall. Then go to socialclub.rockstargames.com, press get launcher and download it, re-download it for Windows. That's pretty much it. If I help you out, please press like.